He is also known for his popular phrases such as Araya and an ending men. Sabay na ako dito sa ending men. Stay well, stay positive, stay healthy, stay happy, and most importantly, stay with... Let's get into that later on. I'm not the host for the interview today, so let's get into the next host, of course, nag-iisa. Kilala niyo naman siguro kung sino na natitira, di ba? With 1.5